Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use your Starkey Omega AI hearing aids with the My Starkey app. We'll cover pairing, key settings, and a few tips to improve audio performance. I'll guide you step by step so you'll know exactly what to tap and how to customize your devices. If you want a more in-depth look at my hands-on experiences, including lab data, real-world impressions, and sound samples, you can check out my full Omega AI review. I'll link it in the description below, but okay, let's get started. You can see here that I already have the My Starkey app installed, and I'd recommend you doing that as well before you start this process. So first things, let's go to our settings. We're then going to navigate down to accessibility. And then from there, we again want to scroll down to hearing devices. And then once in hearing devices, we want to open up our case, take out our Starkey hearing aids. And if you're unsure whether the hearing aids are on or not, you can of course put them in your ears, but you can also put them in your hand. And if you cup it, you should hear some squealing, which is feedback. Furthermore, I also recommend you leave the hearing aids out of your ears, at least for this initial pairing. Sometimes you have to turn them off and on a few times and or put them in the case to do that. And that just tends to be easier if they're not hooked behind your ears. So we see them here listed, the Starkey Omega AI. We can then click pair, and then our phones will ask us to pair once for each hearing aid. All right, and once in, we see some general controls for our hearing aids, such as volume. We can scroll down and start live listen if we want. But that's not really what we're here to do. Let's back out of this and now go to our My Starkey app. Let's follow through the prompts. Your provider should help you with this process. One thing I do want to mention that is in my testing, I've found that the Bluetooth pairing process really only works if you start by first pairing your hearing aids to the mobile device, the native settings of your mobile device, like I just showed you. If, however, you try and start by connecting your hearing aids through the My Starkey app, at least for me, it didn't work. Okay, so here is the default screen. Of course, we have our basic controls for volume. If we want to split and control the volume separately, we can do so. We can adjust our programs simply by going here and manage our programs, or if we want to create custom programs, we have options for all of that. If we want to learn more about our hearing aids, we can click My Hearing and check our battery life. We can also go to Find My Hearing Aids, and it will show where they are located. Now, this is a new feature with Starkey Omega AI, and that is when you enable Find My Hearing Aids, we see this green and red flashing LED light on the back, which can help you visualize them if they are lost. But in general, Find My Hearing Aids is a great setting to have turned on. That way, if you do misplace your hearing aids, you can locate them, or at least the app will geotag the last location that they were on. If you want to dive deeper into the settings of your hearing aids, you can do so in the Settings tab. And a few more things I want to show you here. Let's start with the big one first. We see this Edge Mode AI. This is really unique to Starkey hearing aids. And by clicking Edge Mode Plus, the hearing aids are going to analyze your environment and then make adjustments based on that environment. And then you get to choose whether you want to prioritize best sound, speech clarity with enhanced speech, and or comfort by selecting reduce noise. You can also further adjust that manually here and even create a custom program based on that. Now, before moving on, I do want to mention something within these three dots. If you click them, we can go to adjust sound, and this is one feature that I wish was a little bit more accessible through the default main home tab. This is where we can adjust how aggressive our noise reduction is, how aggressive our wind reduction is, and then we also have access to a 3-band equalizer. Now, most prescription hearing aids have features just like this. My only complaint with Starkey's is that it is hidden within two screens. First, you have to click the three dots, and then you have to go to adjust sound. However, with many manufacturers, there's just a button on this main home tab where you can go straight to that EQ and other advanced sound settings. All right, so now let's check out the Health tab. Right across the top, we have this educational or informative banner where we can learn more about the new Starkey Balance Builder. There's also respiratory rate, which is something that these hearing aids can help track. There's a balance assessment. There are fall alerts, which can ping a family member, friend, or caregiver if your Starkey hearing aids detect that you have fallen. You can also share your data with a caregiver. Again, just furthering the amount of integration you have from a health perspective with yourself and healthcare professionals. Scrolling down, we can look at various aspects of health tracking, such as steps, how many hours we've been standing that day, how much exercise we've completed that day, and then we can just generally browse things like activity, our hearing, and wellness. Now, I have played around with the balance builder, respiratory rate, balance assessment, all of those, and I do think they work fairly well. I do pinpoint some areas that I would like to see improvement in my full-length hands-on review, so if you are curious more about my hands-on thoughts, feel free to watch that video. Now, moving over to the Learn tab, this is where you will find FAQs, helpful videos, and in general, other information about your hearing aids like battery and power. Last up, if we go to the More tab over here or the hamburger menu, you have some general account information. You can enable telehealth and all of that. So Starkey has certainly included a lot in the My Starkey app, and I hope this walkthrough has helped introduce you to some of those features. If you have more questions, feel free to leave me a comment or reach out to your healthcare provider, as they should be able to help guide you through all of these steps, all of these settings, and ultimately help you get the most out of your Starkey hearing aids.